I want to talk to you about BetterCommerce, and the question is this tool worth it this year? So let me give you the praise C you need to really pay attention to. When you think about BetterCommerce, think about an e-commerce software solution that's actually designed specifically for medium to large online retailers. So if you're a micro business, if you're a small business, you do not want to really think about BetterCommerce, okay? And so what we love about BetterCommerce is that it really provides a suite of tools to help merchants create, manage, and grow their online stores across multiple sales channels. So we are speaking here about what? Having an omni-channel strategy. And BetterCommerce really helps you, really empowers you to envision an omni-channel strategy. And so some key capabilities of BetterCommerce include an intuitive storefront builder to easily create beautiful, conversion optimized storefronts without coding. So that's kind of cool. You have advanced promotion. You have sophisticated order management with bulk ordering, batch order printing, emailing, and one-page order management. You have a unified inventory management process across all sales channels. You have built-in CRM features like customer groups, purchase history tracking, and targeted marketing campaigns, which in the end help you streamline customer management. So that's kind of cool. And you also have more than 100 built-in integrations with shipping carriers, payment gateways, accounting software, ERPs, and more. So you are able to easily connect with other business systems. Okay. So overall, when you close your eyes and think about BetterCommerce, think about a tool that helps you go to market real fast. But the tool is actually was built to provide enterprise level e-commerce capabilities tailored to the needs of high volume merchants in a user friendly package. So, high volume merchants. So if you're a small player, if you are a micro player, if you are an individual, if you're a solopreneur, you do not want to think about BetterCommerce. And BetterCommerce was actually founded. I mean, the software was founded. The company behind the software was founded 10 years ago. So around 2015. So for the last 10 years, they've been kicking ass like crazy. They've been actually innovating like crazy. So we loved that really rapid innovation strategy. So what are the features here? When you think about BetterCommerce, what kind of features should you actually envision? Well, you have an architecture modular, okay? You have the API first method, so that's kind of cool. You have commerce without a head. You have consolidated business skills. So that's kind of cool. Let me go a little granular here. So when we think about BetterCommerce, when I speak about architecture modular, the modular architecture at the heart of BetterCommerce allows companies to divide their e-commerce ecosystem basically into smaller, more controllable parts. Right? What happens here is that when you're able to do that, you actually gain in granularity, you gain in optimization, you gain in efficiency. So as a user, you may easily adjust and scale your digital commerce operations because of this versatility, but also because of this granularity. So what about the API first method? So BetterCommerce integrates seamlessly with various third-party systems and services by adhering to the API first concept. So with this strategy, what happens here is that companies can use their current technologies to increase their e-commerce capabilities without causing problems. So that's kind of cool because you're able to actually work with a tool that actually has a lot of API capabilities. So you also have a commerce without a head. So this is a great feature. In other words, you can adopt a headless commerce strategy using BetterCommerce. So the ability to create a distinctive customer experiences without preserving a strong commerce backbone is made possible by separating the front-end presentation layer from the back-end commerce logic. So that's really good from a revenue strategy, from a revenue standpoint. This is a great strategy. This is a great route to take. You also have consolidated business skills. So packaged business capabilities available from BetterCommerce are a collection of pre-built, reusable modules that include PIM, CMS, OMS, WMS, and more. And these modules address a range of e-commerce tasks, including order processing, payment integration, and catalog management. And so, as a business, you can greatly shorten time to market and speed up development by utilizing PBC. So that's really good. When you think about the features that you can see within BetterCommerce, you also have flexibility, analytics, and insights. You have omni-channel capabilities. You also have safety and observance. Let me break it down for you. When I speak about flexibility, basically, BetterCommerce satisfies the need for scalability and flexibility. So, as a business, you can easily scale your operations as you grow because of BetterCommerce's cloud native infrastructure and flexible architecture, all without sacrificing speed or customer experience. You also have analytics and insights. So what happens here is that BetterCommerce actually provides a set of robust analytics and reporting capabilities, helping your business and others gain valuable insights into their e-commerce performance. So data-driven decision-making becomes accessible, enabling all kinds of businesses to optimize commerce strategies and enhance the customer experience. So that's kind of important to think about. And when we talk about omni-channel capabilities within BetterCommerce, you have another conduit for efficiency. In other words, BetterCommerce provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities, helping businesses gain valuable insights into their e-commerce performance. So data-driven decision-making becomes accessible, so you can really optimize commerce strategies and enhance the customer experience over time. So that really gives you a lot of flexibility in our view. You also have omni-channel capabilities. So you are able to provide consistent and interesting consumer experiences across a range of touchpoints, including web, mobile, social, and offline channels in the age of multi-channel retail. So that's kind of cool. When I spoke about the safety and observance, basically, BetterCommerce prioritizes the elements such as data security and compliance, providing strong security protocols and guaranteeing compliance with data protection laws to actually safeguard client data and foster confidence. What about pricing? So the cost structure. So even if BetterCommerce has many features, you need to know how much it costs to decide if it fits your budget and your company's objectives, right? And as you can see on the screen, BetterCommerce wants you to contact them. So you can contact them to arrange the demo, and because they do not publish pricing like public, they do not publish pricing on their website. So what are the differentiators here? So when you think about BetterCommerce, you have differentiators such as an intuitive storefront builder, you have unified order management, real-time inventory sync, you have advanced promotion engine, more than 100 integrations. You have a tool that's actually optimized for performance. So that's kind of cool. So when I speak about intuitive storefront builder, you are able to quickly build high converting online stores without needing developers or coding expertise. So this actually reduces the setup cost and speeds up time to get online. And when I speak about unified order management, you are basically able to manage orders across multiple sales channels in one centralized interface so that you can reduce labor costs associated with order processing by over 40 to 50%. You're able to have real-time inventory sync, so you are able to reduce overselling and back order situations by up to 60 to 75%. So when you think about it, this actually leads to higher customer satisfaction. And also, when it comes to advanced promotion engine, basically you can see an increase in revenue from campaigns driven by BetterCommerce's flexible promotion engine. You also are able to seamlessly integrate with the likes of shipping carriers, payment gateways. I think I've said this before, but this is important because it really eliminates manual data entry and reduces errors by 90% or more, right? So that's really cool. And also you have a tool that's actually optimized for performance. So BetterCommerce utilizes enterprise-grade infrastructure and optimizations tailored for high-traffic e-commerce stores, handling over $50 million in annual transactions. So this is one of those things where if you are a small business, that's what I said a little earlier, you're not going to use BetterCommerce optimally. So it's better to think about like a certain volume of sales first. So overall, BetterCommerce empowers online retailers to boost sales, lower costs, drive higher conversions, and effectively manage complex e-commerce operations, leading to strong ROI and improved profit margins. So let's talk about the usage here. So how is BetterCommerce actually used? Well, pretty straightforward. I mean, the setup is very easy. All you have to do is to actually visit the BetterCommerce websites to register for an account. So they will ask you for an email. Please, you want to enter your work email, because if you enter, let's say, a private email, they might reject you. So work email, and basically you want to create an online store and log into your account after registering. Now, of course, they'll send you a code to your email, and you have to confirm. Okay, they might also send you some message on your phone, so an SMS to sort of comply with the M2F or B2F sort of thing. So B2F, I mean M2F, we're speaking about multi-factor authentication. So not M2F, MFA and 2FA, by the way. So you can set up your store's payment gateways, delivery options, and tax settings. So that's kind of cool in terms of finalizing your store setup. So you can just include pictures, descriptions, and versions of your products in your store. So that's really how fast things go. You want to choose a theme or make a unique design to personalize the look and feel of your store, right? And it has to fit your brand also. That's an important element to think about. You want to create marketing and advertising initiatives to draw clients and increase revenue. You want to utilize the centralized order management system to handle orders and complete client requests. So, and this is important when you want to accelerate your onboarding, and you want to regularly evaluate the success of your store and make adjustments in light of the stats supplied. So this is kind of cool. In terms of user interface, very, very simple. It's very easy to navigate the BetterCommerce platform. The well-structured features and user-friendly interface facilitate actually a seamless onboarding experience, and the documentation and support tools that the platform has actually help you increase user experience and enable shops to leverage their potential fully. So that's kind of cool. You also have efficiency and dependability. So we love that aspect of things as well within BetterCommerce. So you have a CMS function, you have a PIM function, product information management, and that's kind of cool. So you are able to rely on BetterCommerce for a constellation of projects and things. So that's good. So let's have the evaluation here. So I want to talk about the pros and cons when it comes to BetterCommerce and what should you actually envision this year. So let's first talk about the advantages. When you think about BetterCommerce, what kind of advantages should you be thinking about? Well, you can improve conversion rates, you can enhance customer experience, you can increase sales, you can simplify operations, and you can reduce cost. So, and you can do those elements from a simplified manner, from a simplified standpoint. So that's really good, and also this will help you in terms of scalability. So, for instance, when I talk about improving conversion rates with features like AI-powered product recommendations and seamless checkout, BetterCommerce actually makes it very easy for visitors to find and purchase products that they want. You're able to enhance customer experience. So, because the intuitive storefront design provides a smooth, user-friendly shopping experience that delights customers and encourages repeat business. In terms of increasing sales, you are able to increase sales seamlessly because the platform has some built-in marketing and merchandising capabilities. You're able to simplify your operations because the unified dashboard centralizes key store data to help store managers track metrics, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. What about cost reduction? Well, by consolidating systems and automating tasks, BetterCommerce can significantly reduce overhead costs associated with managing multiple platforms. So that's really good. So what about the disadvantages? What about the cons? Well, with BetterCommerce, you actually may suffer from initial setup, from a complex initial setup. You may have ongoing fees. Third-party integrations may be lacking. And this platform may not actually suit simple stores. And you saw that a little earlier. I told you $15 million, that's the minimum. and technical resources are required for optimal management. So it's something to really think about in terms of scalability, but also your ability to get things done real fast. So to get the most value from BetterCommerce, you may actually need in-house or contracted technical staff to handle setup, maintenance, and customization. Unless you actually have a conversation with BetterCommerce and they actually help you out. So, what is our opinion here? So, is BetterCommerce for you? Well, it really depends. First of all, do you actually meet the threshold, the critical mass, the $15 million, the transactional value? You have to be at that level first before actually thinking about BetterCommerce. Okay, so we think that BetterCommerce is an excellent choice overall for medium to large e-commerce businesses looking for an advanced SaaS platform with powerful built-in marketing and merchandising functionality. And so the many revenue driving capabilities make this a great option for growth-focused online retailers. So if you're an online retailer, even a drop shipper, and you are actually have consequential sales volume, you might want to think about BetterCommerce in terms of streamlining your operations. And one thing I want to say also is that BetterCommerce is actually a strong competitor in the composable commerce arena, particularly for mid-market retailers. And so we love the fact that this player is constantly adding new functionalities. So in its adaptability, scalability, and emphasis on user experience can make it an appealing section, an appealing option, if you will, for companies hoping to succeed in the cutthroat world of e-commerce. So that's kind of cool. What we love about Better Commerce is that you are able to get things done real fast. That's what we love. And so Better Commerce has a lot of PBCs, like what we call packaged business capabilities, and this allows you to actually get things done a lot faster. So also in terms of compliance and data security, you have a platform that's really strong there as well. So overall, we love the fact that Better Commerce is the undisputed leader in composable commerce for mid-market retailers. So for mid-sized enterprises and the others, they're looking for greatness in the digital area. It's important to understand that Better Commerce has scalability, affordability, omni-channel capabilities, analytics acumen to really help you scale things fast. So that's really good in terms of capabilities. We love that as well. So that's really fantastic. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about Better Commerce. I give you the précis, the features, the differentiators, the usage, the evaluation, our opinion, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.